Hello students, today we are going to see 12th standard business maths chapter 4, that is differential equation exercise 4.1. Find the order and degree of the following. First question, dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x cube. So, we have to find out the order and degree of the following question. So, the highest derivative, which one is derivative? Dy by dx, d squared y by dx squared, d cube x by d cube y by dx cube. Like that you have to find out the derivatives. So, which one is derivative here? Dy by dx. Dy by dx is the derivative, means this is the highest derivative in this question. The highest derivative is first order. And what is the power of this derivative? Power is 1. So, the highest derivative is first order and power is 1. So, we have to take as order is equal to 1 and degree is equal to, what is the power of the highest derivative? 1. So, degree also 1. And second question, d cube y divided by dx cube plus 3 into dy by dx the whole cube and plus 2 into dy by dx is equal to 0. This is the second question. So, which one is highest derivative? This is dy by dx and this is also dy by dx and this is the d cube y by dx. So, d cube y by dx cube is the highest derivative. So, 3. So, the highest derivative is 3, third order. That is third order and its power, what is the power? 1. So, order is equal to the third order derivative. So, order is equal to 3 and degree is equal to 1. Can you understand, students? The third question, d squared y by dx squared is equal to root of y minus dy by dx. First we remove this square root. So, if we remove this square root, means squaring on both sides. If we square on both sides, we will get d squared y by dx square the whole square, and if we square this root, means root will be cancelled. So, y minus dy by dx. So, which one is the highest derivative of this? This is the second order derivative. So, the highest derivative is second order. So, its order is equal to 2. And what is the power of the highest derivative? That is 2 square. So, degree also 2. Degree is equal to 2. So, both are 2. That is the highest order derivative is 2. Second order degree. So, we have to take as the order is equal to 2 and highest derivative of the power of the highest derivative is 2. So, degree is equal to 2. Can you understand? In this question, fourth question, d cube y by dx cube. So, the only one term is there. The highest order derivative is third order derivative. So, order is equal to 3. And what is the power of the highest derivative? 1. So, degree is equal to 1. And fifth question, d squared y divided by dx square plus y plus dy by dx minus d cube y by dx cube the whole power 3 by 2 is equal to 0. So, what is the fifth question? D squared y by dx squared plus y plus dy by dx minus d cube y by dx cube the whole power 3 by 2 is equal to 0. So, the power, so you have to take this one and d squared y by dx squared plus y goes into the right hand side. We will get what is the answer? That is dy by dx minus dqy by dx cube the whole power 3 by 2 is equal to here d minus d squared y by dx squared minus y. And what is the next step? That is here power 3 is there. And one more formula is there. What is that formula means? That is a power m by n. A power m by n is equal to a power m by n is equal to b power n. This is the formula. So this is a power m by n is equal to b. So you have to change this square into the power of the right hand side. So dy by dx minus dqy by dx cube is the whole power 3 is equal to minus d squared y by dx squared minus y the whole power 2, that is n power n. Now what we have to do? Check which is the highest derivative. Here cube, so dy by dx the whole cube, dqy by dx cube the whole cube, here d squared y by dx squared the whole square minus y squared. So which one is the highest derivative? This is third order derivative. So order is equal to 3 and power is equal to 3. Order degree also 3. So for this answer order is equal to 3 and degree also 3. That is the highest derivative. The second question is find the differential equation of the following. So according to this equation we have to find out the differential equation. How to find out? First differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to here c into x, c into 1. You have to differentiate the x means 1 plus 0 minus 0. So dy by dx is equal to c. Consider this is the first equation and this is the second equation, and dy by dx is equal to c means you have to substitute this second equation into the first equation. So what we will get? Substitute 2 in 1. We will get y is equal to c. What is c? dy by dx into c plus dy by dx minus dy by dx the whole cube. So this is the required differential equation, that is y here y here x. See, instead of c only you have to substitute dy by dx. So y is equal to x into dy by dx plus dy by dx minus dy by dx the whole cube is the, this is the required equation. This is the differential equation method. Can you understand, students? The second question, find the differential equation of y is equal to c into x minus c the whole square. So consider this is the first equation and differentiate with respect to x, we will get dy by dx is equal to 2c because the power is there. So 2c into x minus c, and if we differentiate c value we will get 0, so no need to put that c value. So 2c power will become different, so 2c into x minus c. This is the second equation. Now you have to 1 divided by 2, we will get y divided by dy by dx is equal to 2c into x minus c the whole square divided by 2c into x minus c. So here c cancel and here the power will be cancelled, this one is cancelled, and what is the remaining one? Here dy by dx means it goes into 2y, here y divided by dy by dx, and 2 comes this side means 2y. So 2y by dy by dx is equal to x minus c. And what is c? We want only c. Then only you have to substitute in the first equation. So you have to change it into c is equal to. So what is c is equal to? C is equal to this x. This term will be goes that side. We will get the minus value, and minus c comes this side means plus value. So c is equal to x minus 2y by dy by dx. This is the c value. So if you have substitute in the c value in the first equation, let us see how to substitute. And c is equal to x minus 2y divided by dy by dx. You have to substitute in this first equation. We will get y is equal to c. So x minus 2y divided by dy by dx into x minus c. So x minus, again one minus, and here we will get minus of minus plus value. So plus 2y divided by dy by dx the whole square. Now x and minus x will be cancelled. Here x by 2y minus, here x minus 2y divided by dy by dx into, here x minus x cancel. So you have to square that term. We will get 4y squared divided by dy by dx the whole squared. Dy by dx the whole squared. This is the second term. So next one, that is equal to, we have to take the LCM of this one. Dy by dx is the LCM. So cross multiply x into dy by dx minus 2y into 4y squared divided by dy by dx the whole squared. So if we multiply these two terms, we will get dy by dx the whole cube, because both denominators are same. Power should be added. So base are same means power, if we product that base is same means power should be added. So you have to multiply these two, x into dy by dx minus 2y into 4y squared divided by dy by dx the whole cube. Dy by dx the whole cube. So we have multiplied this one, denominator goes into the numerator, y into dy by dx the whole cube equal to x into dy by dx minus 2y into 4y squared. Here y and 1y cancel. So the remaining term is dy by dx the whole cube equal to, you have to multiply 4y. So 4xy into dy by dx minus 4 2s are 8y squared. So the term you have to take as the same side. So what is the answer for this one? The required differential equation is dy by dx the whole cube minus 4xy into dy by dx plus 8y square is equal to 0. This is the required differential equation. Can you understand, students? Thank you, students. Thank you for listening. We will see the next sums in the next class. Thank you.